He gave me his number. He's like, yeah, any questions when you get there? Give me a call. He's like, I know like a lot of sales guys. Like I was in sales or whatever, and he's like, I know like salesmen or whatever, and like the dealers, and I know how they work.
He's about to fall on his face.